with a whole bunch of other boats because the big weather system that's coming through again. So we're here all tucked away in the safe harbor. So the conditions have been this way for over 24 hours now. And it's going to be like this until tomorrow around this time. So about 48 hours of some pretty strong winds. The anchorage we're in, we have a lot of fetch, so it's kind of choppy. But that's okay. We've been in worse conditions than this. And our anchor system is pretty good, pretty sound. Holly's down below working on episode 91. Holly?
Hey.
How's your day going?
It's alright.
Yeah?
Ready to get off this boat?
Yeah, we've been on board for like 5 days now. So, Rock Sound looks pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It would be nice to go explore it.
Tomorrow maybe.
And I'm up here working on our outboard again because our outboard is having issues. It runs good, it just doesn't idle. So I've been doing some research. I've tore the carburetor apart. This is my 3rd time. This time I really spent some time and really cleaned the hell out of it. Something else that changed on the outboard, I had bought a new fuel tank for the outboard. And it's one of those West Marine fuel tanks with that little automatic siphon valve. It doesn't have just a little vent on the cap, so I think that valve might be acting up. It's either that, or bad fuel, or the carburetor. So I'm gonna fix that damn outboard. We have to fix it because if we don't fix it, then we'll just never leave the boat. So that's what I'm doing. We've been on this boat for 6 days. 6 days straight without getting off of this thing. Is that about right, Holly?
6.5 days.
6.5 days, she says. Let's see. So what are we doing today?
We're going somewhere. It's a holiday on shore because they have Easter Monday here, but we're at least going to go for a walk.
Yeah.
So I don't know if anything's going to be open, but just be nice to get off the boat.
Yeah. So we've been stuck on the boat. We did like all of our chores. Like, look at my hair. I got a haircut.
Great haircut, by the way.
Yeah, it's a good haircut. It's short. It's a little short, but it's good. And then Holly got her hair done. I like your hairdresser, man. Who's your hairdresser?
My hair is naturally this long.
Okay. Yeah. So anyways, I took the carburetor apart on the outboard for like the 4th time and like used almost a whole can of carburetor cleaner on it, and it just starts first time now. It idles. So we're gonna find out today if it's fixed or not. I'm not saying it's fixed just yet, but I've got high hopes.
It's stuck?
Yeah, that's
Don't be fake smiling now. You were just cursing.
I was just cursing. Fix something and something else breaks, like clockwork. That works.
Stop fixing stuff.
You gotta fix it.
Okay, so today we are cleaning the bottom of our boat. It is long overdue. I think it's been about 6 months since we've cleaned it, so it's definitely time. Neither Jared and I are very good free divers, and we do not have scuba tanks on board. What we use when we clean the bottom is something called an airline. It's a snuba system. It's really cool. We bought this a really long time ago before we even owned a boat. I'll show it to you. Alright, so this is our snuba system.
Snuba?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Okay.
I don't know what it stands for, but
It's an airline. So it's a compressor system. You basically dive off of the compressor. So you hook it up. Some hoses. There's the compressor. Right there. It's a little Honda gasoline-powered Honda engine, little Honda 120. I think it's at 3 horsepower, something like that. And you turn it on, and it just provides constant flow of air through this hose to the diver down below.
Yeah. Perfect for people who can't hold their breath.
Yeah.
More than, I think my record is like 30 seconds.
Yeah, we're not very good free divers, and we need to clean the bottom of our boat because we're slower right now.
Yeah, it's long overdue.
And it's long overdue, so we're gonna clean the boat today.
All right, you ready?
Here we. Yeah.
We're going to try to find Cathedral Cave today.
So those are the guys we're trying to avoid.
Oh God.
Watch out for spiders. Hence the stick.
Oh,
Come on. It's just a banana spider. Let's go.
that thing's freaking huge.
Yeah. How many dead bodies do you think have been thrown in there over 3 years? Okay. I'd say one at a time, Holly. This thing's been here a while.
Okay. Wow. That's pretty cool. And there we are, Cathedral Cave. Oh wow, it looks like it gets cooler and further back. Looking for the bats. Yeah. He sounds smells like bat shit. One of them sounds upset that we're here.
Look at that. I don't know if I'm going in there. I'm actually not the biggest fan of caves. I'm just scared a cave bear or something's gonna be inside one of these things.
Damn Eleuthera cave bears.
What you think about Cathedral Cave, Holly?
I like it.
What do you like about it?
I've just never seen anything like it before.
Okay.
The trees coming down, it's really cool.
Yeah.
Like the open. I've never been in an open cave.
One that has an opening on the top.
Yeah.
So apparently there's one similar to this in the Exumas,
Really?
but there's water inside of it.
Like you can swim in the...
Yeah, like you swim into it.
We should do that.
Yeah, we should do that. Okay, so what you want to do?
I want to get some food.
Food sounds amazing.
Wasps.
The stairs, okay. Let's get out of here. Before one of us gets stung. Well, that fucking hurt. Ow. That hurt. Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. It's just scraped. A little salt water will fix it. So I don't know how doctor recommended this is, but I gotta clean this.
Is it burned? Want to hold this?
Can I knot your tie in there, babe?
Go nowhere not.
I don't think I ever learned about the go nowhere or not.
The trick is to tie it a lot.
Man, look at that picture, dude. Sheesh. Some well-deserved drinks here.
Yes. How was your dinner?
Dinner was awesome.
That's good, huh?
Really enjoyed dinner.
Yeah.
Look at this anchorage, man. This is gorgeous. All these boats over here. And then all the boats over here. I'll fix that dinghy. Look at that. First pull.
Good job, babe.